In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo to your Zoho Books profile. This process is straightforward and should take you no more than 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, you'll want to sign in to your Zoho Books account. To do this, simply navigate to your preferred web browser and head over to the Zoho Books login page. Once there, find and click on the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. You can opt to sign in via various methods, but for convenience, let's click on the Google option. This choice allows you to use your Google account for a quick and secure login. After clicking Google, you'll be prompted to choose your account from a list. If you're already logged into one or several Google accounts on your device, you'll see these listed. Simply select the account you'd like to use to access Zoho Books. If the page takes a little while to load, don't worry. Depending on your internet speed, this can take a few moments, so patience is key. Now that you are logged into your Zoho Books account, it's time to navigate to the settings where you'll update your profile. Look towards the top right hand corner of your dashboard for the settings option, which might resemble a gear icon. Click on it to open up the settings menu. Next, you'll want to locate Organization within the settings menu. Click on Organization to go further into your profile settings. This is where you can make changes specific to your business's overall profile on Zoho Books. Once you're in the Organization section, go ahead and click on Profile. This is the section where you can edit various details about your organization, including uploading a logo. Now you'll see the option that says Upload your organization logo. Go ahead and click on it, and a dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose a file from your device. It's a good idea to have your logo file saved somewhere easily accessible on your computer, such as your desktop or a dedicated folder for business assets. Choose the logo file you've selected for your profile and double check it displays as you wanted. Once your logo has been uploaded, you're almost finished. To ensure that your changes are saved, scroll down to the bottom of the profile page and click Save. It's always a good idea to confirm that all your updates have been successfully saved, so do give your page a quick refresh or revisit the profile page to see the updated logo in place. And there you have it. Your Zoho Books profile now sports your organization's logo, lending a professional touch to your accounting profile. Thank you for following along, and I hope this process was simple and clear.